Meme coins on Base are absolutely exploding at the moment. Some of the hype is moving away from Solana over to Base, even though Solana meme coins are still performing very well. But I've been having a lot of fun trading Base meme coins recently, so I thought I would share a quick and basic tutorial on exactly how I'm doing it and how I've been able to make some money in the Base meme coin space and how you can do the same. So if you enjoy the content, obviously smash a like and subscribe. But first of all, you need to download a MetaMask wallet. I assume most of you already have MetaMask, but if you don't, make sure you download the MetaMask Chrome extension. Once that is done, you'll need to add the Base network to your MetaMask. Click in the top left corner where it says Ethereum mainnet, and as you can see, I have Base already, but that will most likely not show up for you if you haven't added it already. So click on Add Network, and then you'll basically see Base. Just click on Base and you'll be able to add it. Once that's done, you'll obviously need to swap to the Base network in your MetaMask to be able to trade Base tokens. And then you'll need to fund your wallet. You can do this by either bridging ETH from the Ethereum mainnet over to Base. You can do this on the official Base bridge right here. Basically just connect your wallet, deposit however much ETH you want to bridge over, and just click deposit ETH, or do it the way that I like to do it. I basically like to just withdraw from an exchange, and you can withdraw Ethereum directly on the Base network straight into your wallet. Now you basically have a DeFi wallet on the Base network with some Ethereum in it. So now we can start looking into how to actually trade some of these tokens. So the two most popular platforms to track some of these tokens are DEX Tools as well as DEX Screener. So for DEX Tools, this is what it looks like. You have all these different tokens, but when you load DEX Tools, you will most likely see Ethereum tokens first. So what you need to do is go in the top left corner and select Base. That way you will only see Base tokens. So these are the tokens that are trending on Base right now, the hot pairs. If you go to the left, you can also see live new pairs to see what new pairs are currently being listed. So you can see that there are tons of new pairs, basically like 2-3 new pairs every single minute. So you need to be careful because most of these are obviously rugs. So there are some things you need to look out for that I will mention very soon. But that's the basics of DEX Tools. You can click onto any of these charts and you will see a more detailed graph. If you scroll down, you can see all the transactions being made. You can see market cap on the left as well as liquidity, 24-hour volume. And it's pretty similar with DEX Screener. It's basically just another version of DEX Tools. This is what it looks like once you load it up. You'll have to scroll down on your left, click on the Base network to see all the Base tokens. This is what it looks like. You can sort it by market cap right here. So you have DGen at the top. Brett is one of the most popular tokens. You can also go to new pairs on Base. If you click on to any of these tokens, this is what it looks like. You have market cap on the right as well as volume. You have the chart, you have transactions. If we scroll down, you have some audits to see the security of the tokens, and it's pretty straightforward. So this is how you actually track and maybe find some of these new tokens. But when it comes to actually trading these Base meme coins, I personally like to use Photon, which basically is just a trading bot that makes it so much easier and quicker to trade these tokens. If you want to check out Photon, highly appreciate it if you check out my referral link down below and use that to sign up if you don't already have an account. But basically on Photon, you can trade Base meme coins as well as Blast, Solana, and Ethereum. But today we're obviously going to focus on Blast, so let's stay with that. Now, once you make an account on Photon, Photon will make you a brand new wallet. What you can go ahead and do is get the private key of this wallet and import that wallet into your MetaMask. So these are some of the new Base pairs currently being made. On the right, you have audit results. It says if the contract is renounced as well as if the liquidity is locked. And ideally, you want all of these to be in the green because these three things are pretty important for the security of the token to make sure it hopefully doesn't rug. You can also go to trending tokens up at the top to see some of the bigger tokens. You can sort it by 24-hour volume as well as initial liquidity. So if you sort by volume, for example, this DGen token is doing pretty well, $60,000 in volume. And you can see that the chart is also looking pretty good. This is what it looks like once you click onto the token. They have basically integrated DEX Screener onto the platform. So you can see all the transactions, you can see the chart, and you can also do trades right here in the Photon app. So you can do quick buys, which basically just buys the token super quickly right away. away, and you can move in and out of these tokens super quickly. Now it is obviously risky because you don't want to be too quick with it and just ape into anything, because then chances are you're likely to get rugged, but it does make it very quick to just get in and out. And obviously with these meme coins, it's super volatile, super risky, so none of this is financial advice, but because it is so volatile and risky, you do want to move in and out very quickly. And if we go back to the dashboard, you have settings in the top right corner where you're able to change the slippage, the gas amount, priority fee, etc. Now I like to just leave it as the basic. The slippage is pretty high at 20%, but that also does allow you to move in and out of tokens a lot quicker. You can also go to holdings to see all the tokens you are currently holding. Obviously I don't hold any in this wallet right now, but right here you can see profit and loss on your different tokens. You can also see trade history and all of that good stuff. It's a very good trading platform for meme coins. It's very organized, and it just makes the experience a whole lot better than if you were to trade in your MetaMask using DEX Tools as well as Uniswap to get in and out of these tokens. In the top right corner you also have this mobile option, so you can scan this code and basically trade on your mobile as well. So that's basically Photon. That is what I'm using to trade meme coins on Base right now. On Solana, I'm still personally using BonkBot, but Photon is also really good for Solana tokens. So I will also leave my BonkBot referral code down below if you want to check that out. Now, if you don't want to use Photon, you can obviously use Uniswap, which is the biggest DEX on Ethereum. You just load Uniswap. You need to copy paste the token address right in here to be able to trade it. And in the top right, you need to make sure that the Base network is selected. Now, I'm sure you're interested to hear a bit about how I actually find some of these tokens. I have talked about it in some previous videos, but it is mainly through Twitter. I'm in some alpha groups that share some good information, and just by following the right people on Twitter, they will share some interesting tokens. There are so many people out there. Some people you can trust, some people you cannot trust, so you need to curate your feed very well, because if you have a good feed, you'll have such a big advantage on all the other people trading these tokens. So what I'm gonna do is leave a few people I like to follow down below in the description so you can go and follow them. Now, there's so many good people out there that I don't know about yet, so just by looking through Twitter, you might be able to find some people that you like more. And as I said, I am in some alpha groups, but most of those are private. There are some decent public ones, but I don't really have any specific ones to recommend. What I recommend you to do is, if you have some friends in the space, just get together, create a group, share information, learn from each other's mistakes, and kind of just trade together, because obviously 5 brains are a lot better than 1. But do note that obviously meme coins are super risky. If you haven't traded meme coins before, do not spend too much money, only deposit however much you're willing to lose, because obviously if you thought normal crypto is volatile, meme coins are like 10 or 100 times more volatile, so it's super risky. You can easily lose your money if you're just starting out, but the upside potential is also extremely high. You can catch a coin and it could do 100x in a day, so that's why people are in this meme coin space right now, obviously. So if you want to learn more about the basics of meme coins and how I find some of these different tokens, I did release a Solana meme coin tutorial a few months back, went a bit more in depth on how I actually find some of these early tokens. So if you want to check that out, you can check it out right here. Now, if you want to check out some super interesting altcoins that I'm currently looking into and that I'm super bullish on, you can check that video out right here. If you enjoy this sort of content, smash a like and subscribe down below. Check out the Photon and BonkBot referral links down below in the description. Would highly appreciate it if you use those. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.